Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Scratch again. Okay, so today we have the new lesson that talking about the function make. Okay, so before we go, I hope you all guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification when I upload the new video. Okay, so now let's go to our lesson. Okay, so for the first puzzle here, we have an app. You can see this app and it have the instruction here for step 1 and discuss with the partner. So now let's read this. Okay, so the step 1, explore, play with code maker app. Okay, so here it's code maker app. You try it, click run and try it. Okay, try many different options and pay attention what happen on the screen when you move the slider or choose an item from the drop down. Okay, when does the screen update? Okay, what happens if you choose lavender and lucidation from the drop down and try choosing light green and moving the slider until you receive feedback. So let's click run and try this app first. So now I just have something in this text box. Okay, you can see when I tap in the text box, the text is show up here inside this big box. Okay, and it's show in the middle of the box. Okay, so let me love my dog like that. Okay, this is my quote. Okay, so now I try to choose something from the drop down by I try to change its font family. Okay, you can see the font family of the text inside the box it changed. Okay, the color. Okay, the color is also changed when you choose from this one. Okay, from the color drop box here. So what does the screen update? The screen is updated. Oh, when does the screen update? The screen is updated when you click or choose something from the drop down here. Okay, and also from the slider too. The screen is updated like that. You can see. Okay, when you drag it down and drag it up like that, the font size of the text is increase or decrease like you see like that. Okay, so okay, for the last is what happens if you choose lavender and lucida sun. Okay, now I choose lavender and lucida sun. Let's take a look what happened. You can see something. You can see the word it here is great combo, right? But if you choose another color, design of the lavender is not so the great combo. It show the nice design. Okay, you can see lavender. Okay, so try choosing light green and move the slider until receive feedback. Okay, choose light green and you try to move the slider up until you can see the word this change is looking fresh. Okay, you can see. Okay, so this all is all about this app. Okay, so discuss with partner. What does this app do? Okay, quite easy, right? Code maker. Inputs, and you can determine what is input. Input like this text box, this slider, no, this drop down, and this slider. The output is all this tag, and this tag, and this tag also. It's all many output here. And how can a function be used in this app? How can? And from the last lesson, we already learned about the variable and function. How can we use function here? Which part do we need to use it? Okay, so discuss with the partner. But for me, I use the function for update the code maker app screen. Okay, to update the screen. So finish it. Okay, now we go to the level 2. It's time for all of you guys to build this app from scratch. Okay, but it's not include the screen design. The screen design is already designed for you. Okay, you do not need to redesign it or delete it and redesign it again. Okay, so what you have to do is just coding to make this app work. Okay, so I just click it high like that. Okay, so first of all, you have to determine the variable that you want your app need. Okay, so the first one is you declare the variable at the top of your program, right? I hope y'all remember to declare your variable. Okay, so you can see this app is have the code. So I just tap like declare variable here. So the first is I declare code. Okay, to store the code, right? It's type text. So you just make it blank like that. And next I choose the font family. Okay, so I choose the name font family equal to blank like that. Next is color is also blank. Something else? Yes, the font size, right? Font size. Okay, now I choose font size. Okay, equal to 0 or not. You can choose for the default font is 24, and you can set the default font, the default color to your program like that also. Okay. It is optional to you. You wanted to define or not. Okay, now after you declare all the variables that you need, next is you have to make your apps work. Okay, like the level 1, you can see when you tap the text inside this text box, it will show up inside this big box. Okay, so you have to go to the design and determine the ID of each element. For the big one is its ID is color output. The small one is code output. So you have to display the text inside this code output. So its ID is code output, right? So you go to the code and drag this event. Okay, it means that when you tap something or tap something, tap the code inside this text box, the text will be shown up here. So you use its ID. Its ID is like, did you remember it? It is quote input. It means that something happened inside this quote input. This text will be updated. So the update text is quite easy, right? You just get the text from this input text box and set text to this box. Okay, so you just go to the update quote variable first. Get text from quote input like that. After that, you try set text to the quote output with your quote. Okay, like that. Let's try run. I tap love me, love my dog. Okay, but it doesn't work. So that's why, because I didn't click it. When I click it, the text show up here. Let me try again. Test. Now I click, the text is show up here. Okay, so we doesn't want that. We want when you tap what something here, something is show up here in the same time. Okay, so this you just change this event from the click to input event. Okay, so you just run it again. Love me, love my dog. Okay, this is what we want, right? So like that, I think you all understand it. Okay, so you just now reset it. I go to the next is about the font family Dropbox. So I drag it down, okay, like that. Input it ID, call font family input. Okay, with its even. Okay, for the font family input is we do not use the input event or click event. We use change event. It means that something change inside the drop down. This event or this code inside an event, it will be work, right? So it's quite simple, right? So you just get the font family. It means that you update the font family variable. It means that get the tag from font family input like that. And you have to update your it means that you update the font family of the text box or quote output. So you just set the property. You just set property to something like quote output, right? Quote output with the font family with the value is font family. Okay, like that. Let's try run. Now I just test. Okay, to see how it works. Choose. You can see it works, right? Okay. Yep, it works. So next is we create it for the color. I think maybe okay color input, right? You use the same, right? You choose the change event, and after that color update your variable value equal to get the tag from color input. Okay, and after that update yours color your code output. Not okay with the it is called we use the background color. Okay, we use background color here with the color variable. Okay, let's try run. Okay, oh no, what's something wrong? I used the wrong. I think I used wrong. Okay, it is color output, not code output. Color output like that. Reset and run again. Okay, like that. Okay, we almost done it. Next is for the slider. This slider, you just drag and drop it again like that. For the slider, its name is okay font size input. So you just take it ID font size input. What's event that we use for that? Okay, we use the event input 2. Okay, use the event input and you update your font size equal to get number, not get the tag anymore, from font size input like that. And after that, you have to set property to the code input. No, code input. It is code output, right? Okay, code output with the property that I think it is font size with your font size variable. Okay, so let me try. Okay, I try that something, drag, drop. Okay, like that, like that, like that. Okay, almost done. Okay, so that's all. So now you can see that the set text, this is set property, this is set property, this is set property. All that one I will be grab it to make one function that's called, I go to function and drag function here, okay, and I call it, what the name of the function, call it update screen. So after that I just cut that code from this one to this one, cut this, and after that I cut this. So this all we can group it together to make one function, and after that you can use it with this update screen function instead. So like that. So let's take a look. Okay, now I just click run again. Okay, to see, does it work fine, right? Okay, simple, right? It still works as normal. Okay, so next is we talking about the condition. Okay, the first condition is when you choose the colors is lavender and the font family is lucidacent. The text will be show up at the bottom of the over app is Great Campbell, right? Do you remember that? So you just enter and tap the if condition here with the our variable. Yes. Now we take a look at this. I reset it and make it bigger for you guys. I make it if color our variable that we have updated. Okay. So if color equal to lavender. Okay. And font family equal to lucida sun. Okay, make sure you tap it right. Okay, and after that you set text to this item, but you go to design to know its ID. Its ID is feedback output. Okay, so go to code, not set property, it is set text to the feedback output with the text is Great Campbell. Great Campbell, not Campbell. Okay, like that. So let's try. You choose lavender and you choose lucida sand. Okay, nothing show up here. Feedbacks output. I think I put something wrong. Okay, this is the not capital letter for L, lavender here. Lucida sand, okay. Reset and run again. Lavender, font family, lucida sand. Okay, you can see the word Great Campbell here. Okay. So the other condition is LF. When the color, your color, meaning when you choose the color light green in font size 24, the feedback output will be show the looking fresh, right? So Again, you just tap if your color equal to light, make sure you tap it right, light green, and font size equal to 24. 24 is a number, okay, so you do not need the double quote to grab here. Okay, so set text again, set text to the feedback output. The word is the looking fresh, looking fresh, okay, like that. Let's test it. Okay, color is light green, font is, what about font? Is not font, not font size, not font family. Okay, okay, what's something wrong? Okay, equal to 24 because our font is already 24, right? Now I just change it to 20, reset, run, color, light green, and drag up, up. Okay, you can see the words looking fresh, okay, like that. You choose the words is lucidation, okay. Why it's still looking fresh? It's wrong, right? So the default is when you not need these two condition, the word is show up only the night design. So you can go up down there, make the L. You can set the text again to the feedback output with the word nice design. Okay, like that. Semicolon. Run again. Tab. Okay, okay. You can see the word night design here. You can drag it up, looking fresh, night design, looking fresh, night design. But if you choose this lucidation, you will see the word, what is word? Lucidation, lavender, great combo. Okay. Okay. Now our app is done completely. So may I wrap up for you? For the first one is you just declare a variable and each event of the text box, the drop down, the slider, you have to update your variable value, okay? And after that, you just update the screen. But before you update the screen, you have to check this condition, okay? So that's all. I hope you all guys learned something from me today. So anything wrong, please comment inside or comment to let me know. Or you want me to show another lesson, you also can comment below. Okay, I will create video for you. Okay, if you did not subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, see you in the next video, guys.